Hey, welcome everybody. It's Mark Schultz, the founder of DigitalAircraft, and I'm here today to tell you about a conference next week, which is the AircraftIT conference in Bangkok. It's on the 19th and 20th of October on Wednesday and Thursday, and I'm really looking forward to being there and meeting all of you that are going to be at the conference and having discussions with you about digital and about different projects and some of your needs and requirements. And in support of this initiative, I decided to have a guest on today who works in the region and is familiar with the different clients and customers in the region. And so I'm going to go ahead and bring him right in, and we're going to have a conversation today about that region of the world.
For example, in Oceania region, we also see if the businesses are complex and multi-line business, or there are operators who are, say, for example, MRO, who are also doing business jets, who are also doing RPT flying. So for those kind of operators, our system is very well placed, where it provides a lot of flexibility to configure. So we have seen a lot of success where organizations having multi-country, multi-business line operation embark upon Ramco.
And how do you define a multi-line operation? Can you just tell our viewers what that means?
So, for example, an organization who are having a fleet of aircraft which they operate for a normal passenger commercial jet, they would have another fleet of aircraft for, say, special missions, where they are supporting government in terms of, say, maritime surveillance. They would have another set of fleet for charter business, kind of fly in, fly out kind of business, where they work with mining industry to transport the mining crew from one place to another place. They would have a maintenance organization within the group, where they not only do their in-house maintenance but also take care of third-party maintenance because of the capability and capacity constraint in this region. So it's a multi-line of business with uh, individual reporting of the profit and loss, business-wise. So how do they manage? And it can be like they are multi-country, so they may operate in, say, Australia, they may operate in New Zealand, they may operate in Papua New Guinea, they may operate in Malaysia, so under different AOCs. So how do you manage all these businesses in a single platform?
Okay, and so why do you believe that the capabilities of an MRO system are important when you're considering that? Because I hear what you're saying. You have multiple AOCs, you have multiple operators, multiple business units. What is the importance of having an IT system which can address those things?
So with our application, all these businesses can be configured as an individual businesses within one single platform. And when you see from a finance perspective, the consolidation, how do you consolidate all these businesses into one reporting line, right? Means at the end of the day, a group reports for all their businesses. So the ease of consolidation of all those businesses is made easy with Ramco. Also, the the relationship within the organization. Say, for example, the operator sends their aircraft for maintenance to the MRO wing. Now, how the MRO wing can receive those customer or those internal jobs without entering the data back into the system, right? So those kind of automation is really helpful for them while operating as individual companies.
Yeah, I can see how when you have unique business requirements that differ from operator to operator, it's important to be able to have systems that can handle the different business cases and the different business situations. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you having conversations with me today. And for those of you watching out there, I wanted to remind you that the AircraftIT conference will be in Bangkok next week on Wednesday and Thursday, October 19th and 20th. And there's going to be quite a lot of different vendors there. And it's an opportunity for you to be able to go and to learn very quickly about solutions and what people are doing and hear stage presentations. And it's going to be very interesting to be able to go there and to reconnect with people and to learn about what they're doing in digital. And in a very short period of time, find out what vendors like Ramco are doing to be able to help these operators to create success.